Hello everybody, I'm Mauricio from Milwaukee, here today at JC Cayer for our Milwaukee Innovation Tour. As you can see here, I brought the big gun here. So we got our big drill here. Today here we have as well our OPE section, so all of our outdoor products are here. Next up right here, we got our MX FUEL products. We displayed a few of them if you want to see some concrete jobs and that type of stuff. Free goods station here. Obviously, depending how much you spend, you're gonna get some free goods. That's how we do it here. Next up is our lifestyle station. So we got a few newer stuff, new productions, a few clothing as well displayed. Now we also have for women, so ladies, this is for you. We got our bolt section right here as well. You know, a nice display of them, what we can offer. A lot of attachments for our helmets. Next up, again, he's back. We got our container. Big boy is back. So we have a lot of stuff in here as well. The same innovation, the same new, bigger products, and new innovation. And then last and not least, we got our forge and fuel station. So right here we have a lot of new products, demo stations as well. So if there is any of you guys that want to come here and try some tools, today, tomorrow is the day. We'll be expecting y'all. Come show some love again.
Hello everyone, we're here for day 2 of the Milwaukee Innovation Tour right here at JC Cayer. Let's talk a little bit about Milwaukee and see where they're going, where they've been, where they come from.
It's always a blast being here with you guys. It's always an amazing event. This is my 3rd year here, and you guys treat us like family. We treat you guys like family. We're a good partnership, and you know, it's always a blast. We have something that's gonna last a long time, and